If you're using the Panasonic Eneloop BQCC17 charger and are confused by the green light behavior, don't worry, this charger is actually very simple once you understand what the LED signals mean. The BQCC17 charger uses only green LED lights, not red. A solid green light means the battery is charging normally. When the green light turns off completely, the battery is fully charged and ready to use. If you see a flashing green light, the charger is detecting a problem. This usually happens when a battery is inserted incorrectly, the battery is extremely drained, the contacts are dirty, or the battery itself is faulty. Start by removing and reinserting the battery, making sure the polarity is correct. Next, clean the battery and charger contacts gently if you see dirt or corrosion. The BQCC17 is designed for AA and AAA NIM-half Eneloop batteries, though it may work with other NIM-half brands. If the flashing continues, try a different battery to confirm whether the original one is defective. If you ever notice excessive heat, burning smells, or strange noises, stop using the charger immediately, as this may indicate a charger failure. In rare cases, long-term wear can cause reliability issues, and upgrading to a newer Eneloop charger may be the safest solution.